Listen, your girl has put on some pounds.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
Alright y'all, and we are back with another video, another slay honey. So I'm starting off with my mask, a little skincare girl. Okay, I like to hydrate, do my hands, whatever I put on my face, I always put on my hands, my neck and my ears and all of that good stuff. Make sure you're getting everything, okay? As you can tell, we are bald, so we got to do our hair. Today our hair is sponsored by Hurela. Shout out to them for sponsoring the video. Look at the pluckage. This already comes pre-plucked. It's still a little bit dense, but I'm gonna work with it just the way it is, and you guys will see all of that. Make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit and this company will be down in the description box. So first we got to remove this mask, okay? And I went ahead and I massaged this straight into my face until it basically dried. Now I'm going in with some sea breeze and wiping up around my edges, putting on my bald cap. Okay, now taking the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This is basically a water soluble type of bond. I really like it. It gives a really good grip and it washes off with some simple water. You know what I mean? Good to go. Y'all know how this thing go, keeping it simple. I don't think I will ever do like actual permanent glue unless somebody does it for me. You know, girl, listen, I like to take my wig off at night and go to my bed, okay? So we are melting this in. We are doing our edges. We are, you know what I'm saying, laying it down. Whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop, boop, boop. Pretty self-explanatory. Girl, get the words out. It is way too early for me to be, you know what I'm saying, talking. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like I'm not feeling well because I still don't have any internet, and that's why the videos are taking long to come to you. This is not planned. I had no intentions of taking any sort of break, okay? But girl, I still gotta go down by the house to upload these videos, and quite frankly, I don't want to go down there no more. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Okay, listen. We doing our edges with some little some regular glue, whoop-de-whoop. You see what I'm saying? I mean, that looks pretty good for me not plucking anything. I mean, like, if you know what you're doing, you can definitely finesse these wigs just straight out of the packaging. No plucking, no bleaching. You see what I'm saying? That looks pretty good to me. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna be styling this later on down in the video, but for right now I'm just gonna tie up my edges. Whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop, boop, boop. Y'all know how this thing go, okay? Boom, we zoomed out so we can show out. No, we zoomed in so we can get everything. Girl, let's get it together. Okay, so look at me getting all artsy fartsy. You can see it on my face. I don't know what I was gonna do, but I was like, you know what? Let's just do something fun. Let's do something different. I'm double guessing myself, but at the same time I was like, girl, let's just go for it. The Picasso in me said, girl, let's paint. Okay, so as you can tell from the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing something really artsy fartsy today. I mean, I know I do really colorful looks and stuff, but never anything like this. And I kind of want to delve into this a little bit, and I hope you guys don't mind. I remember when I first started my channel, when I used to use my webcam, like back in the day, you know, back in the day. For those of you who have been with me from the beginning, you know exactly what it is that I'm talking about. I really used to paint up myself a little bit more. Those videos no longer exist on YouTube because of the music that I used to have on those videos. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, but I'm going to be doing a lot more of this type of stuff. I want to do it, you know what I mean? I don't know why I stopped and why I got so serious and I never, you know, continue with this. Anyways, it's never too late to jump back into something you really want to do, okay? So I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just putting down some concealer. All of the products that I'm using are by Too Faced, the Warm Sand, and I'm using Toffee on my lids as well. Now I am going to go in with the Huda Beauty powder, and I'm just going to basically set all of this, you know what I mean, just all over, just to keep it, you know, in place and all of that good stuff. Going in with my MAC paint pot. I think the one that I'm using today is Bric-a-Brac. Like I said, I love all three of them, and this product has just definitely upped my makeup game. Like, my face just looks really, really nice, and I love that, you know what I mean, because of the undertone. Like, it really helps the color correct at the same time, so I'm loving that. Right here I'm using Warm Sand by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna be doing the underneath highlight and contour type of thing, you know what I mean. I really do like this type of foundation application, I should say. I really do like it because it's just less product, you know, like you place the product exactly where it should go, and you're not really double layering and stuff like that when it comes to like the liquid and the cream and stuff like that. Also, yes, KVD Beauty, I mentioned in my last video because a lot of you were asking me to try the apple skin, I believe it's called, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna let the devil in my house. Y'all already know how this thing go. And then y'all were like, she's no longer associated with the company, she sold it, it belongs to somebody else right now. And I'm just like, well, if it belongs to some, I guess they couldn't change the name so, you know, drastically. So it's KVD, but it still stands for her, you know, like. But anyways, that definitely puts my heart at ease. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So I will be getting some stuff from Sephora real soon. Yeah, but honey, I couldn't really hop on the bandwagon, honey. That wedding threw me for a loop, boo. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Okay. Foundation is Maple by Too Faced, and I'm using the matte version of the Born This Way foundation. Basically, we just gonna go in and, you know, pat all this out, make the skin look nice and smooth and everything. Face was looking really good, even though I'm under a lot of stress. Skin is getting back to normal. I will say my neck has stopped breaking out, so I'm really, really, really grateful for that. Listen, your girl has put on some pounds. I'm not even gonna lie, okay? I just been stressed eating, and you know what I'm saying, but I'm not like super stressed, you know what I'm saying, because like I'm the type that if I'm super stressed and down and heartbroken, like I'm not gonna eat. Like I tend not to want to eat, you know what I'm saying, so I know I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I'm still okay. But girl, don't listen to me, okay? We just gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer. You see what I'm saying? Doing the whoop-de-whoop, face looking good. We is sitting pretty. Yes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You see what I'm saying? Blending out the nose, getting that contour. I did put some of the toffee concealer like to contour basically. And also, let me know how you guys love this voiceover vibe, because I'm not gonna lie, this made filming a lot easier. Like after I'm done, you know, editing and stuff like that, I can just come in and do the voiceover and just chill. You know what I'm saying? I do miss speaking to the camera, but I noticed that you guys really love the voiceover, so I'm gonna give it a whirl. Okay, I was playing the music and I was watching Forensic Files at the same time, child. I was just saying here having a ball. Okay, yes I was. The face looks serious, but the spirit is still, you know what I'm saying, we try. Girl, look at me, I'm double guessing myself. I'm not sure what I was supposed to be doing. Okay, I said I changed my mind. I said let me go ahead and do the center of the flowers first so I can have like a guide. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, this was my first time and it came out really rusty, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna upload this video, but so I was like, you know what, keep it real. Okay, keep it real. It's been a while since you've done anything like this. Of course you're gonna be rusty, but the more you do it, the better you sure will get. So baby, here we are. Okay, yeah, so I'm using liquid lipstick and a white liner from both by Lime Crime. No, that's a lie. The liquid lipstick is from Sugar Pill and this white eyeliner is from Lime Crime Cosmetics. But I did order some like water paint, like, you know, like water activated paint, like some face paint basically, and some kitty stuff. I know, you know what I'm saying? I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get this instead of like, you know, spending my money on the real hardcore stuff. And then I just, you know what I'm saying, because we just starting out, like we can't be, you know what I'm saying, just jumping off into the deep end right away, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, at first, like I said, this was looking really good. I was there, I was getting my flowers on. Okay, I was creating shapes. I had like a little guide in front of me of an actual cherry blossom, sakura in Japanese, in front of me, and I thought I did pretty good, but I feel like I'm gonna tell you where I messed up. I'm gonna show you where I messed up. I'm not gonna lie, all of this is fine. I like how this looks and everything, and also I'm going in with a lighter liquid lipstick, like a lighter pink, and I'm just giving myself some shadow on the flowers. I don't know if you can pick that up right here, because you see what I'm saying, this flower right here, the big one right by my brow, I feel like this spoils the whole look, but I wanted to do like different sizes, girl. I don't know what I was thinking putting this one right here, like why put it right there, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, went off camera, did the rest. Now I'm using that same liquid that liquid lipstick to line my eyes. Girl, get the words out. Okay, giving myself a little wing and everything. All in all, for my first try after many years of not doing anything artsy fartsy, not bad. Lashes, lady lashes, let's put those on and let's zoom out and get the rest of this look, boo. Okay, finish off this face. So let's go ahead and finish off this face. You can tell on my face I am so double guessing myself, doubting myself, but you know what, let's go with it, girl. Okay. Rock on. So I'm gonna take this and set the rest of my face because I didn't set everything, you see what I'm saying, like I didn't want to like my face to get super oily, you see what I'm saying? So I'm doing this after I did the flowers and all of that. All I did was set like my forehead with the highlighting powder and under my eyes because that was the area that I was working with. Y'all know the gist, girl. Y'all already know how this thing go. And I'm using Cinnamon by Huda. Girl, get the words out. Y'all gonna enjoy these fumbles too. Okay, Cocoa Naughty because I was feeling a little bit naughty, and we're gonna bronzify Dukesh Poppy's eye. Y'all already know how this thing go. I don't even know what I gotta tell y'all. Okay, yes. And for my blush, Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going with the brightest. And today we are laying it on nice and thick, honey. We are not trying to be light. We want this to pop, okay? Because it's such a fun look. Why not? Like, now is not the time to hold back, okay? It is time to go all out with the blush, okay? Late on, girl. Girl, let's do this hair. Okay, the hair is looking tousled. Okay, so now it is time to highlight. And as you guys know, I love to just do my nose and my cupid's bow. Like, that is what works for me. I absolutely love this for me. If you want to highlight everything on your face, please do so. Okay, do what works for you. Okay, if it looks great on you, do what works for you. Okay, I'm also going to take that same highlight and put it in my tear duct area, and after a while I changed my mind and I went in with the pink blush on top so it'll have a little bit of a pink shimmer effect. Girl, I don't know what I was doing at this point. I was just trying to save this look because I really hated that big flower right there in the center. You see what I'm saying? I felt like it just killed the vibe. Anyways, Burgundy MAC lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this. The lipstick I am using today is by Juvia's Place, and this is Libra. Absolutely love this lipstick. It's perfect for me. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with a gloss on top, and I'm not gonna spray my face today because I definitely don't want to mess up these flowers. So yeah. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more because I definitely want to do more. I had a lot of fun doing this, even though I felt like this look was a bust. Okay, listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me out. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, which is Snapchat, TikTok, IG. Everything is under Savannah Sylver. And yeah, until the next video, I love you guys so much. Please take care of yourselves out there. Be safe. Wear your mask. Okay. And yeah, I'll see you guys real soon on the next one.